Welcome back. Let's continue working with Numpy. Today we are going to take a look at different operations we can do with Numpy. We are going to start by importing Numpy. Then let's set up something known as seed. It actually gives us a random numbers. For this case, random numbers will not exceed 101. Let's create an array of random integers, range 0 to 100, and we want 10 numbers. We can take a look at these random numbers. We can create one more array and call it array 2, which is also an array of 10 numbers with the same range 0 to 100. We can take a look at this second array. The good thing about seed we created above, it makes sure that we both get the same random numbers. You can test it and you will get similar results. Now let me show you a couple of operations you can perform with Numpy. These are maximum, minimum, and min of an array. So if you want to find the maximum value in an array, we can use the max function. When we run this cell, we can get the result. We can also find the index of the maximum value in an array by using argmask function. This returns back the index location of a maximum value. We can also do the same for minimum value using min function. In the same way, we can find the index location of a minimum value. We can count these numbers. Remember, you should start at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. Let's find the min using the min function. Min, or the average of an array, is 60.8. We can also manipulate the shape of an array. First, we can take a look at the current shape of an array. You can press Ctrl space to see the documentation, which gives you the description of the function and the parameter required. For this case, this array has a single vector. That's why we can see 10, nothing. We can reshape this array by just using reshape function and find the description in the documentation by pressing Ctrl space. Let's reshape this array to have 2 rows and 5 columns. You can see here the result. We have 10 value. Therefore, the shape value should not exceed this number of values. When we multiply 5 times 2, we get 10. But let's say we ignore this concept, 2 rows and 10 columns. We got an error because 2 times 10 is 20. The array has only 10 numbers. Let's change a bit. If we use 5 rows and 2 columns, it will work just fine, as you can see. But the arrangement has changed now. We have 5 rows and 2 columns. Okay, that's very nice. In the next video, we'll take a look at indexing with Numpy.